Then one, being a grandchild. Two, being a child. Three, having your children. Four, having grandchildren. And five, having great-grandchildren. And I thank God for all those experiences. And I take that and I write them and I put them to music. So this song, Kuʻu Lei Pua Kenikeni, talks about this lei that I value, that is so beautiful, imbued with so much fragrance. Each flower represents a generation of our family. We're all tied together in this beautiful lei, this lei of love that is worn so close to the heart to recall all of this love. And remember, twice I've said this, and I really mean it. He vai vai nui ke aloha, he mea makamai na Kakou I pulamai hoai. That love is greatly valued by the people of Hawaii. It is a treasure, it is something so very, very precious. And we have kuleana to perpetuate that tradition of aloha. So on that note, we're going to do for you a Kuʻu Lei Pua Kenikeni. And of course, we're going to dedicate it to Miss Colleen, who I love dearly. And we want to honor her and all of our ohana with this melody because everybody is tied into the words Kuʻu Lei Pua Kenikeni.
And he is joined with Pohai Souza and his wonderful class. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Loea, Kawaikapuokalani Hewett.
Pili,
Ladies and gentlemen, to our honoree, Lehua Kawaikapuokalani to Antiquolino. Hey, hey! Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That's what it's all about. It's all about